A free-flowing north-south corridor for Adelaide is a long-term government priority. The Australian and South Australian governments are funding the $812 million South Road Superway, the biggest single investment in a South Australian road project. To meet this challenge, an experienced team has been assembled.
The department's project management team is now very excited to have Urban Superway join us. Urban Superway brings both national and international expertise to this project. In particular, John Hollands, McMahon's and Lead Engineering. Lead Engineering is a local firm that's now come up to the plate. Joining them as well is Rizzani de Ecca out of Italy, dealing with the cast form for the project, and IBT bringing international design experience.
This project will deliver a total redesign of the area's road network, with $30 million of local road improvements already providing road users with alternatives to relying solely on South Road, and extending the area's heavy vehicle routes. The integrated design team is refining design plans, while site preparations and construction startup is moving at a pace.
Our progress has been focusing on removal and shifting of the services. In particular, the 66,000 volt cable overhead has now been put underground. That will enable not only the construction of the elevated roadway to proceed, but to create a clear vista and view across the project. We're now moving more focused on piling, as you can see behind us. Piling is very important to form the foundation for the elevated roadway. There are some 740 piles required and some 1.1 metre in diameter to a depth of 30 metres, a substantial foundation for this elevated roadway. As we travel further along South Road, you'll see the construction of a manufacturing facility. This manufacturing facility will enable us to build the 2,200 segments which are required to build the elevated roadway, bringing a world-class infrastructure project to South Australia.
Keeping traffic moving safely and retaining access to businesses along South Road during construction and for decades to come will see many improvements at street level. This state-of-the-art project will provide long-term benefits to the area. A travel saving of up to 7 minutes for industry and commuter traffic, and better quality stormwater management. When complete, the South Road Superway will link the state's commercial and industrial areas with Adelaide Airport, Islington Rail Terminal, Port Adelaide and Outer Harbour, improving access for local businesses, the surrounding residential area, and making the efficient movement of people and goods safer. For more information, call 1300 638 789 or visit www.infrastructure.sa.gov.au.